In the bustling metropolis of Z City, where the skies were often filled with the sounds of superheroic clashes, there existed a hero like no other, Saitama, renowned as the One Punch Man. Despite his overwhelming strength, an insatiable desire for personal growth gnawed at the very core of his being. Little did he know that his most formidable opponent wasn't a monstrous creature or an evil villain. It was the reflection staring back at him in the mirror himself. In his quest for self-improvement, Saitama stumbled upon the profound concept of fasting and autophagy. One fateful day, as he delved into dusty volumes in a neglected corner of the association's vast library, he uncovered a trove of scientific journals revealing the groundbreaking research of Yoshinori Osumi, a brilliant mind who had earned the Nobel Prize for unraveling the mysteries of autophagy. Intrigued, Saitama immersed himself in the scientific literature. The more he read about autophagy, the cellular process of self-cleansing and rejuvenation, the more he felt a revelation unfolding. It wasn't just about building muscle and strength. It was about harnessing the body's innate ability to heal and regenerate. And in this journey of self-discovery, Saitama realized that his limits can be conquered with such untapped potential within himself. As he crafted a comprehensive training routine that incorporated intense exercises and strategic fasting, Saitama's ultimate challenge became clear: the limitations of his own mind, the body's natural recovery, and his hunger for food. The daily routine of 100 push-ups, 100 sit-ups, 100 squats, a 10-kilometer run wasn't just a physical challenge. It was a battle against his own mind and his stomach, a war waged on his own preconceived notions of what he could achieve. In his quest for self-improvement, Saitama discovered an unlikely ally: the power of water, sodium, potassium, and magnesium. As his belly grumbled and his mind cried out for nourishment, Saitama held firm, and he kept on drinking and stayed hydrated. He forged ahead, fasting for more than 15 hours a day. This wasn't just an exercise in discipline, it was a vital component of his transformative journey. The long fasting period triggered autophagy. As he was fasting, he felt his power surge, every cell of his body cleansing itself of toxins and repairing the wear and tear from his intense daily training. This, coupled with his physical regimen, became a key catalyst in his metamorphosis. The power of fasting was not only instrumental in his physical transformation, but also aided in improving his mental and emotional fortitude. It was a testament to his unwavering resolve and an integral part of his journey to become the symbol of ultimate power. Fasting for more than 15 hours a day, Saitama didn't just conquer hunger. He conquered his mental and physical limitations. As he fasted for more than 24 hours, he felt the metabolic switch to ketosis power through his body. The reduction in inflammation and healing of the mitochondria were the key to his one-punch success. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months, and months into years. Saitama's unwavering commitment to his autophagy-optimized routine, fortified by intermittent fasting and longer fasting, transformed him into a paragon of self-improvement. His muscles became denser, his endurance boundless, and his mind sharper than ever. With each passing day, he confronted and conquered the limitations he had imposed upon himself. In the heart of Z City, Saitama's epic journey became a legend whispered among heroes. His daily routine, autophagy activation, metabolic switch to ketosis, insulin sensitivity improvement, inflammation reduction, cellular repair and longevity and hormonal regulation had not only sculpted his physique, but had also unlocked a profound connection between body and mind. The story of Saitama, the One Punch Man, had evolved into a saga of self-discovery, where the strongest adversary proved to be the one that resided within.